What's going on, guys? I'm out here at iJams. I'm not herping today. No, I'm fishing. Figured I'd try out this new GoPro Hero 7, the headset, and see how well it's gonna work in the fishing area. Which, you know, you guys tell me what you think about it. Hopefully we'll catch some fish. I got a little swim bait to mimic shad, and a little whatever kind of bait to mimic crawdads. So we'll see. Alright guys, so I'm going to spot where the waterfall is. I don't know how well that's gonna be for me. Sorry for the noise. I'm hearing a lot of people here. So, because normally people come to this place to swim a lot too, so it's hard to kind of fish where people are swimming all the time, but doesn't mean we're not gonna try to give it a shot. So let's see what happens, I guess. Okay, so it doesn't look like anybody's down here, which is awesome. And there's parts where it's in the shade, which is what I was hoping for. Might be a bit rusty. I have not been fishing since, gosh, whatever my last fishing video was. I can't even remember. It's been so freaking long. Look at those turtles. They're just chilling. Alright, so I think first I'm gonna give this a shot with this little guy. Now let's see how well I can cast. Oh, that's lovely. I'll let that sink down just a bit. And I'll just kind of give it a little. You guys need to see it in the water right there. There's a bunch of junk on the water though. That's what I was afraid of. That area. I just want to fish. It's been so long, I at least deserve a fish, don't you think? Oh, there he is. Oh, nice. Oh, what the crap? Did you guys see that? Like, he came up and just hit it. As I was making it, decided to start making it work like a injured shad. He just came up from the depths. So maybe that's the way to do it. So I had another bass right here. Take off the tail, son of a gun. And I didn't bring any extra ones. Maybe I can get him just jigging it. Think? I don't think that's gonna work. They like that fluttering of the tail. Let's switch over to this. A little bit heavier. Should play a little bit better. It's weedless, so I don't have to worry about any of that crap. Let's see what happens. There's a bigger hook too, so I'm really curious to see if these are spotted bass or if they're largemouth. They're one of the two, I know that much. Alright, let's put this guy in here in this tight crap. There we go. There's one. Oh my gosh, he had it. He had it. He just didn't get all the way in his mouth. Okay, so they're close to the bank and they're ambushing, which is good. I love this sight fishing. This is just the best. Oh, he got it. He got it. Yep, he got it. There he is. Oh, come on, baby. Oh, wow, you are pretty. That's a largemouth. Hey, not bad. Not bad at all. He is beautiful. Thanks, buddy. First fish 2019. I'm gonna call it a creature bait because it seems fitting. Alright guys, this little guy is called a bush hog, and I trimmed off these crazy little wires right here. But he's heavy, he's durable, sinks down, acts like a crawdad, and it's dark colored, and it's clear water. That's gonna stand out pretty good. So see how far we can get him. Pretty good distance. Oh no! Oh, I got him. I still got him. Haha. All right. Barely hooked. Holy crap. Wow, that fell right out. Holy crap. All right, buddy. See ya. All right, so figured it out. I just throw it out there, I just let it sink, and they kind of take care of the rest. So that's pretty awesome. That is absolutely amazing. All right, guys, so I don't know how well this is gonna work, because this is what I'm looking at right here, but I'm gonna cast out over this way. So we're gonna see if I can get a fish right here in this little area. Chances are slim to none. Probably gonna lose my bait. But you never know. There we go. We got the bait back. Here with this wind blowing on it, it's not gonna be too awful good. And work that line right in there. That way we don't get caught on anything. I'm just kind of curious to see if fishing off a cliff works. If it does, I'll be highly impressed. Hey guys, that's going to do it for this one. I didn't come prepared, but what I had, just 2 baits I thought would work, and caught, well, 3 baits technically, and caught bass. Well, hooked up on 1, caught 2 on each bait, so I'll take that as a win. So love y'all, and if you're brand new, don't forget to subscribe. Check out my videos on either side, and I'm going to be doing a lot more fishing videos. I'm thinking I might be premiering those on Tuesday and Thursdays, and doing herping on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. But I'm still tossing around that idea. So you guys let me know in the comments what you think. And yeah, let me know if you're excited about the fishing vlogs to come. So I'll see you tomorrow.